Scorpio, hello. This is Madam J coming in with your June 2021 Ratchet Family Feud edition. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you are an existing current subscriber, welcome back. Thank you for the support. Feel free to subscribe if you haven't already. Like, comment, share, email me for feedback, and also click the link or click the description box, I should say. Also donate. Any amount counts. All right, Scorpio, here we go. We're going to get started. We have you coming in right here with your energy. We also have you coming in as the Estee Lauder of the family. So if you haven't researched the background, check out Estee Lauder. That's who you're coming in as. And of course, we know she's a beauty mogul. Her family now owns and operates the business. Her career message is youth will never get old. Yes, you're young at heart. And some of you I'm hearing, you may also, because her uncle was doing moonshine beauty creams, so basically making them from home. But I'm getting that one of you also starting a liquor line, or you're making liquor from home and you're interested in marketing and branding it. So I think you should do some research about that. But anyway, Scorpio, we have Cancer coming in. And I'm going to have to move this shit out of the way. We have Cancer coming in. Aries, this is your opposition. Family members, friends, co-workers. Take it as it resonates. Mates, Virgo. Libra, Capricorn. So Cancer, Aries, Virgo, Libra, Capricorn. Your opposition. Take it as it resonates. All right, Estee Lauder also says for those of you in business, a free gift can buy anyone. So if you're doing something, you may want to start offering free gifts for your customers or your clients to help your business expand. That's what I'm hearing. All right, let's see what professions we have. The judge. One of you may be a judge, a celebrity actor. Put this to the side. Addiction counselor. CEO. This to the side too. The CEO right here. All right. Oh, I think something scratched me. What the fuck? Somebody's trafficking women. Is that why the hell you scratched me? Y'all don't want me to get this message out. Here we go again. Celebrity rapper. Trash collector. An actress. FBI. Set designer. A florist. Somebody works at a donut shop. I have a plant worker. You work at a plant. Somebody does forensics. There's a detective involved. Somebody's a tarot reader. This one wants to fly out. A web designer. A police officer. One of you, maybe being investigated. A secretary. A technical support specialist. Astronomer. And an event planner. And now your opposition, their events. I'm sorry, professions. I said events. Somebody is an event planner. A drug queen pen. Oh, goodness. One of your family members is a drug queen pen. Your mate. A couples counselor. Architect. Y'all got some nice jobs. Somebody's a pimp. Are you a sex worker? Scorpio? Postal worker. Mailman. Engineer. CIA. Job position. Janitor. Biologist. A teacher. A clerk. An actor. A carpenter. And a GM. All right, let's get started. Let's see what else we have. You also may work in a career caring for animals or people. This is the strength card. Also, public recognition. You may be a dentist as well as work in human resources. You also may be a celebrity, actor, actress, singer, songwriter, musician. You're in the public eye. You may have a platform, be on social media, different things like that. This is the star card. You may work in the film industry and also technology as well. We also have judgment. You may be a judge. Did I pull the judge out? I think I did. Judge was one of these. Yep. Judge. Here we go. Maybe a judge. Or dealing with a judge. Or you have a court situation going on. You're praying for justice. But it looks as though you are going to get justice with that situation. You also may be working in hiring and recruiting, creative jobs. You work in politics. And also management. So I do have GM sitting right here. You're a GM of a company or a restaurant. All right. Let's see. We have the Three of Pentacles. This is my creative work. You may be an architect. And I did pull architect. Was that one of the first ones that I had? But anyway, y'all saw. Here you go. You may be an architect. I'm a fool with it, I'm telling you. You may be an architect. You may also be a designer or a craftsman or a construction manager. You have a big project you're working on right now. All right, this one is my travel card. You may work in science, flight and travel, problem-solving jobs, and you may work on board a cruise ship. Let me turn this light on a little bit. That's the Six of Swords. It's a little dark. There we go. All right. Let's see what else we have. We have the Nine of Swords. Some of you need some rest. You may be working overnight and not getting enough sleep. You also may be a mental health worker. Like I said, working overnight. And you're tired. Or some of you may be having bad dreams. We'll get to that. Okay, and last we have the Page of Cups. This is the dreamer. Also, somebody may be astral projecting. You're a psychic, a creative, a singer, a poet, or artist, or you also may be working with the youth. Anything pertaining to the cups are my creatives. Swords are usually communication and spying jobs and things like that. I'm seeing that You may have been, look at this. See how he's outside of his body? And right here, she's outside of her body. You may have been astral projecting since you were a child. Or you may not have astral projected since you were a child and you are now currently stepping back into astral projecting. Or it could be someone's trying to astral project into your home. So just pull this. One of you may be a psychic or a medium, and that's you connecting with spirits, the guides, spirit guides, ghosts, trying to give you intuitive messages as well. I do have the Page of Cups is your psychic card, and I just happened to pick these cards up and I saw that. So yes, you're stepping into your mediumship. The spirits, the ghosts, the guides, they have messages for you. They're keeping you up at night because they're trying to show you something. Somebody's just passed away. Maybe they were in deep sorrow. Maybe it's one of your family members. Maybe your sister, your aunt, a female or a younger person just passed away. And they're ascending. They're trying to give you a message. Maybe show you something in a dream state. So I'm hearing be brave. Don't be afraid. Step into your power. That's your sacral chakra, and that may also be blocked right now. It's telling me you may have blockages with that. But don't be afraid. I know it can be a little bit scary if you have these encounters with these spirits and these ghosts, but try to be brave. You might also be focused on your money right now, or lack of money, and it's overwhelming you. Yeah, you may have issues having trouble buying groceries and food. You may also be having problems with your rectum, your legs, your arm, your circulatory system, or your spine right now. You're in a lot of discomfort. Maybe you're not feeling well and it's just making you uneasy. But you're going to be okay. You're a star seed. You're going to get through this. You're going to ascend past the pain, push through it. Well, you're going to ascend. You're stepping into your star power. One of you are about to explode, like literally blow up. Your business, your brand, whatever it is you're working on, it's about to explode. You're going to have great luck with that. Even a love relationship. Your YouTube channel is about to go viral. You're going to be in the public eye, in the spotlight. Maybe you already are, and it's causing you anxiety because you have so many people wanting to reach out to you and come for you, and it's overwhelming. It's overwhelming, but honey, you have a gift. You're a psychic, you're a medium, you're a damn tarot reader. They have that as well. You're a tarot reader. This is what you were born to do. You have to get these messages out. Don't get discouraged. I know it can get overwhelming, especially when you want to give a message and these demons, they try to block you, stop your throat. Oh my God. They go as far as to bring turbulence into your life so you can't get those messages out. I know I go through it. Sometimes it takes me 3 days or 4 days or 5 days to get a fucking reading out. Because the message is so deep and so powerful, so intuitive and very helpful, and it provides so much insight and healing to that person that these demons, they be trying to stop me too. But guess what? Keep going. This is what you were born to do. You're a messenger. You're gifted. You are that connection between the universe, the higher ups, and the people. And that just gave me chills. Oh yeah, that's something for you, baby. See how this light shining right here? and it's cloudy outside. You are of the light, honey. You're a star seed. This is what you are supposed to do. Don't let no one dim your light. Miss Celebrity Actor, you have a job to do. Don't let no one dim your light. You have a major job coming up. And you're afraid. You got a little anxiety because you're moving into something new, uncharted territory. But the ancestors, they got you. Take that leap of faith and trust that you are headed to where you need to be. Let me hurry up because we're rolling into 15, 16 minutes. But I just had to get that out there. I'm full today. Yesterday, Aries. Oh my God. Aries had a lot going on and it just had me. I couldn't even finish y'all reading. But this is good. Oh, you got a message to give out. Don't be afraid. It's your calling. I see your dad is cheating with your aunt, your mom's sister. It's trifling ass. You are the most successful in your family. The Estee Lauder. Got your own business, maybe doing beauty creams. You may have your own beauty line. But whatever it is you're doing, you're the star of the damn family and they mad. They mad because you in your power. I say F them and keep it going. Your niece and your sister gossip about you. Why? Because they out of shape. Your mom is a narcissist. Scorpio, pamper yourself. You need a makeover. I'm saying that your whole family is going to Puerto Rico. You may be going somewhere overseas or U.S. territory or to the islands. Good luck with that if your whole family is Ratchet. I hope y'all have a great time, but be careful. Yellow is your color. Some of you look very good in yellow. Wear it more often. Scorpio, you are protected because you're gifted. Your landlord has a crush on you, Scorpio. Scorpio, it's time to clean up your house, your life, your room, your relationships, the spiritual debris out of your life. You need to clean up. Clean your bathroom. Take a spiritual bath. Girl, where this come from? Here you go. I know it's missing a card. Somebody's trying to keep you from ascending. This card was hidden with one of your family members or a mate or somebody. It's trying to keep you from waking up and stepping into your power. This card just got hit. It was hidden in the stash with these Ratchet family members. So beware. They want to keep you in a situationship. Some of you are dealing with somebody, Scorpio. He has no plans or she has no plans on committing to you. Some of you, you know your situation. You know your situation. Your aunt is a nutcase. Yes, the hell she is, Scorpio. Scorpio, you are a multi-millionaire. Make sure you donate if you're watching this channel. All donations are appreciated. Yes, Scorpio, donate. You got someone else pregnant and your sister, she knows. Or you may be pregnant for someone else and your sister told it. The FBI is watching your mate. Is your mate this pimp? Your nephew is on drugs. Scorpio, stop using people. Some of you are using people. If you're a karmic watching my channel, stop using people. Scorpio, your nails look pretty. Did you just get your nails done yesterday? Or recently? I'm hearing say no. Somebody keeps asking you something over and over. You have a right to say no. Your hard work is going to pay off. Scorpio, you were sleeping with your enemy. I just want you to know that. You're sleeping with your enemy. Stay focused. You got the house. You visit other dimensions while you were asleep. I told you you're gifted. Look at this shit. For a second. Astral projecting. Astral projecting. Yes, time travel. You're trying to understand what's going on, but you're stepping into your star power. You're a star seed. You're not like the rest. You're different. Like 2 Chainz say, I'm different. Yeah, I'm different. You're different. Face the fact. People may call you weird, and it's a fucking okay. They're weird too. We're all weird in a way. But don't ever be afraid of the gifts that God gave you. They are draining your energy. So much that you can't sleep at night. It's time to let go and isolate yourself from these people. Your sister gossips about you with your ex. Messy hoe. Scorpio, wash your clothes. Things will get better. Spend more time with your children. Stop leaving your children with that abuser. Oh, Lord. Aries had the same thing. All your friends are jealous of you. They only call when they need you. So once that shit says, say no. A funeral is being planned. It says somebody's dealing with a drug addict or a drug addiction. It's quiet. Energy is good, Scorpio. That means some of you have isolated yourself and you're moving in silence as you should. You're at peace right now. Besides some of you that are going through the bullshit with the hate, but it's like you unbothered. Because my energy right now is just so chill and relaxed. Like, you really unfucking bothered. And that's a good energy to have. Thank you, Scorpio. Telekinesis is your superpower. You have on a yellow dress and red lipstick. And if they say yellow was your color. Uh-oh. Stop telling people your business. Your aunt is a perv. Scorpio, you are a magician. You want to reveal a family secret. Do it. Alright, let's see. I'm seeing in the past you were dealing with someone that may have been two-faced. And they broke your heart. May have been involved in a workplace relationship with a co-worker. And you weren't paying attention. It's 3 of Pentacles. Strength card, 3 of Pentacles. You weren't paying attention. See how he's looking? Look. Heartbreaker. Got on a green shirt. Green in the background. You weren't paying attention. May have been school, may have been work, maybe on set. Some damn well. Take it as it resonates. You know your situation. But something was going on behind your back. You wasn't paying attention to that shit. Some of you also may have been needed courage to jump into a new role at the workplace. Management, acting, being in the spotlight. Either way it go, it caused you some anxiety to be a little bit overwhelmed with what was going on. The love triangle and just stepping into a new position that you weren't used to. It caused you anxiety. I'm also seeing that some of you had to have strength. You got a job traveling over water and you need courage to do that. Because you're a psychic and it taps you in. It's kind of weird. Maybe because you're feeling what everybody else is feeling. But I'm also saying it's possible one of you, you're going to go on a trip and you're going to meet somebody younger. It's like Stella got a groove back. Stella, one of you. But they have a Stella Winston situation going on. That's what Spirit is telling me. All right. Some of you, work is causing you a lot of fucking anxiety. Because you're being micromanaged by your GM. He's aggravating. The damn drug addict GM. He's on drugs, undercover. Probably gets high on the damn job, but it's overwhelming. But you're going to leave that situation. You're going to be blessed with a new job. Or you may move up into management yourself. Whatever it is, you're going to get your redemption and be freed from this overwhelming ass situation with this micromanager. Oh, yes. Some of you are stepping into the public eye. You have one movie, one song, a book. It's about to bring you to the top. Even in other positions. You're the top employee, top worker. You're about to be promoted at your job. You're going to get a promotion. And if you just did an interview, they saw you as the best candidate for the job. You got the job. You are a very highly intuitive being. Don't let nobody dim your light. Alright, I'm going to pull a few more. Then I'm going to wrap this up because the video likes to cut off after a certain time. But this was a good reading overall, Scorpio. Thank you. Something having some nasty energy coming in. Oh, goodness. I just said this. You don't know who your baby for. Oh, shit, Scorpio. You are very rich. Scorpio, all I can tell you is you ovulate usually 5 days within the time of your period. Figure out who you had sex with within that time frame. If it's more than one person, I can help you, honey. Be honest with yourself in the situation at hand. You are the side piece. Your family is jealous of you. We already said that. And your friends. He or she is the one. Congrats. Some of you just met somebody. Got your heart beating fast. Look at that. You can see this. Look around his heart. Right here. He in love. You got him feeling out of his damn body. Or she. Oh, somebody you met. Y'all just went on a date to a restaurant. I don't have a restaurant card, but I'm seeing y'all at a restaurant. You went on a date and y'all hit it off. It was great. Now that person is falling in love. This could be the one for you. You know who you are. I just described your situation. Your dad is a narcissist. Damn, your mom and your dad. Probably a toxic ass relationship you've been raised in. You are a time traveler. What the hell did I say? Let's say you move through other dimensions. It's proof right here. You're a fucking time traveler. Look at this. You leave your body. Been doing this since you were younger. They need to clean that pool. The brown wig is more professional. You are the jackpot. Telepathy is your superpower. Your favorite cousin is jealous of you. All right, Scorpio, that's a wrap. All right, till next time. Once again, subscribe, like, share, comment. Email me, madamjayhealer@gmail.com if you need a personal reading.